Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I wanted to give you a really sweet idea for a card. And it is using a piece of the Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper that is in the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. Now, what's so fun and special about this is that we can turn this piece of paper for spring or summer crafting into holiday crafting, and look how much those look like poinsettias. Isn't that beautiful? What I did is I colored with my Real Red light and dark combo of Stampin' blends. I outlined with the dark and filled in with the light. The leaves are already a mossy meadow, and it came up with this beautiful design. Now, I had seen someone else do this, and I thought, I have to try it. So let's make a simple Christmas card with this. Now, the coloring, what I would do here is cut my pieces of this designer paper, and then while you're watching TV, the World Series, Hallmark Christmas movies, whatever, you can color in, and then they'll be ready to go to create your holiday cards. So for this one, I'm keeping it really simple. I have a card base cut of Real Red, cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and scored at 5 1/2. I have a layer that's going to go on top of that, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then the designer paper is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. So let's layer all of those up. I'm just going to go ahead and apply first this designer paper to the mossy meadow. Okay, let's just center that. Now, before I attach it to the card base, I want to add a bit of the ribbon. And so this is the Real Red ruched ribbon from the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. And it is beautiful and lightweight and easy to tie. So I'm just going to tie a simple knot and put it over here toward the left-hand side of the card front. So I have left it on the spool for now so that I don't use any more than I need to. And that's pretty easy to do with most ribbons, to tie with it still on the spool. Okay, there's a pretty little knot. Let's trim these at an angle. Just like that. Look how beautiful that ribbon is. Oh, so pretty. And it doesn't add too much bulk to your card. Now, I decided to stay with a simple sentiment, so I am using the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set from the holiday catalog, and I stamped Thinking of You at Christmas in Memento Black ink on Whisper White cardstock, and then I punched it with the 1 3/8 scallop circle punch. Then to back it, I have a 1 1/2 inch circle of mossy meadow punched with a 1 1/2 inch circle punch. So let's layer this on top. And do that. And then that is going to go right there. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use some Stampin' Dimensionals on that. So let's put one at the top and the bottom and see how that works. So I had this card design in my head, and I thought I'm just going to go for it and try it on a video. Once I colored that beautiful paper, there we go. Oh, so pretty. All right, now let's mount it on this red card base, and that really makes that red pop. So I'm going to use some of our liquid glue. Okay, and then center that on the card front. On the inside of the card, I will put a piece of the Whisper White cardstock, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And so then I can write my message there. And then this is ready to go. And you can add some embellishments. Be sure you visit my blog at inkinspirations.com to see how I finish it out. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.